About 5 million Maynilad customers will have no water from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. beginning September 16, Wednesday. The 7-hour water supply cut will happen daily as part of efforts to conserve water supply in Angat and Ipo dams. Maynilad says more than 900 barangays will be affected, including parts of Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Manila, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Quezon City, Valenzuela, and Cavite.
Hindi naman po ganun kabilis ang pag-akyat sa mga nagdaang araw, despite the fact na meron po tayong nararamdaman na pag-ulan dito sa Metro Manila.
Maynilad customers are also warned the water cuts may be extended to up to 20 hours a day if water supply further dwindles. Officials say this conservation effort seeks to ensure that Angat Dam's remaining water lasts up to the first half of 2016 amid a strong El Nino episode. On the other hand, Manila water customers will still have round-the-clock water service. However, the East Zone concessionaire says it may reduce water pressure in some areas starting September 21. This may happen from 10 p.m. up to 4 a.m.
Kung umaabot yung tubig mo on the second floor, baka hindi na siya abot ng second floor, may first floor na lang siya.
Manila water officials admit, however, it may also cut water service in some areas later on. This as regulators foresee reduced water supply allocations in Metro Manila in the coming months to conserve the main water supply. Water concessionaires are appealing to the public to do their part to conserve water during El Nino.
Baka mahirap nilang maunawaan kung bakit umuulan naman o kaya nakikita nila may mga baha. Pero bakit magpapatupad ng pagbabawas ng pressure o magkakaroon ng water interruption? Humihingi tayo ng pangunawa na kinakailangan ngayon pa lang, no? Maghanda talaga tayo.
The water interruptions, officials say, is the best option to preserve water supply in the long term. Christine de Guzman, CNN Philippines.